Hey everyone, my name is Steven Smith here with MarineMax and Stuart. I wanted to do a walkthrough video with one of our beautiful pre-owned pieces of inventory that we just took in here. This is a 2017 Sea Ray 290 SDX with low hours, ready for its next owner. Starting at the bow here, you've got a nice boarding ladder for the sandbar with a freshwater rinse down. The SDXs come with built-in coolers here underneath of these seats. These are insulated coolers that drain into the bilge. This boat does have the LED lighting package as well under the seats. We have snap-out flooring that comes with the boat. We just have it removed for right now. There's a nice storage compartment here in the walkthrough. This is great for additional gear. Fold-down armrests on the loungers up front. As you make your way back, you have a block-off door here for the wind with a windshield that closes over for the cooler afternoons. Nice storage compartment behind the console here. This actually has both tables as well. So you have a cockpit table and a bow table. It's a storage compartment here with charging, with 12-volt chargers. You also have a head on the port side of the boat here. This is going to be the pump out porta potty. And you also have freshwater sink with the upgrade in here, as well as a glove box. As we make our way back, you'll see that both of the helm seats here, they have flip-up bolsters, and they also are reversible. So you can pull the backs here like this and open up the cockpit to make it a very social area here. Lots of room for a lot of people to sit around, especially under the nice shade. At the helm, we have a Raymarine GPS display. Your Mercury displays are here. This boat, like I said, has low hours, only 156 hours on the Mercury, 250 horsepower outboards. You've got your controls here. You've got trim tabs, Rockford Fosgate audio, and like I said, the lighting package. As we move back, you'll see an extremely open, vast cockpit space. A lot of storage on a 29 SDX. This is a huge storage compartment here. You've got room for either a removable cooler or a great area to store shoes underneath of this seat. You've also got storage in these seats here. And then the large storage compartment on this boat right here. This is where you'll see all the carpets stored. Big storage area. This is great for water toys, extra fenders, all your extra life jackets and things. We have the sport arch on this boat. This has the bimini top that comes back. And this boat has the prep area instead of the fridge and the grill, so you can have a nice area to prep food, storage, things like that. Also a freshwater sink right here. Going through the walkthrough, there's a trash can right here with dedicated storage for all the countertop pieces. As we make our way back to the platform, you have two large sun loungers here that can flip up into a rested position for your legs. There's also a lever that would give you access to this compartment on this side here that you could store additional things like wakeboards. You have a flip-out swim platform on a 29 SDX that folds into the water, perfect for the sandbar, as well as freshwater rinse down and an additional cooler here. All powered by the Mercury outboards. And like I said, only 156 hours. This boat is ready for its next home. Come see it here at MarineMax Stuart today.